Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NUBIA Focus Pro 5G to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, use the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In those pop-ups, you can choose whatever you want to. And then hit send at the bottom left corner of NUBIA. Now receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on NUBIA, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. And then hit send next to selected to continue. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!